Hi, this is Sawyer, and that's Cody there behind the camera here at Northern Cass. Tech Math, quarter one, semester one. We're here to talk about the robots that we made, and they can get complex. See all this framework and everything. We had to construct this, got a little kit, but the whole thing behind this is the NXT. This is, the brains to the operation is what it is, and that's where we program everything into. And it took a while, like a week to construct these. So now I'm going to move on to the programming phase. And with the program, there's NXT. They have this program, and you make programs within the program. You can make it do basically whatever you want. You can make it turn. You can make it. We've been working with it. We've done a ton of things. We even made a course, and so then we just download it from the computer onto this NXT right here. So I'm gonna just show you a course that we ran. That's our NXT, and that's it for now at Northern Cass.
Here at Northern Cass, this is the mathematics phase of the robot. One of the things we had to do was find the diameter of the circumference of the wheel. This is because we can tell how far it goes by knowing the circumference. By finding the circumference, it's the diameter times 3.14. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And some other equations we had to solve was the percent error. Pretty much the percent error is how far you think it's going to go, how far you're off your theoretical measurement, which is what you're guessing pretty much by knowing the diameter and such. Then the actual measurement, how far the theoretical is off from the actual. So what you do there is you take the theoretical measurement, let's say like 25, minus the actual, which let's say it's like 26. Then you divide that by the theoretical, which would be like 25, and you get times 100. And you should get something about within, less than 5%. If it's over that, you're off, you're kind of off. Some other equations we had to solve was the motor degrees. This is angle turn, which is how many degrees you want it to go over a full circle, which is 360 degrees. Over on the other side of the equation is the distance traveled of the wheel over the circumference of the traced circle. That's pretty much the main points of the mathematics. On to the other. This is pretty much the accessories on the robot. Like this sound sensor here, which was used to clap on, clap off, and it can sense, and it works pretty good. Also, the light sensor right here, it calculates light from dark. It's pretty cool. And then this tracer, which was on the traced circle in the mathematics. That's pretty much it for Northern Cass, which would be how many degrees you want it to go over 360, the full circle. And then on the other side of the equation, we got distance traveled by wheel over the circumference of the traced circle. Those are kind of the big key equations there. That's it. See you guys later.
Hi, I'm here back at Northern Cass to talk about the collaboration skills, and some of the things we did weren't the easiest, and we had to try to figure out how to solve them. But sometimes the equations you have to ask some people and collaborate. Keyword right there, collaborate to see what we can do, and ask the teacher, because, I mean, these robots can get pretty complex, like I said. I mean, sometimes you just need to collaborate. And that's it here at Northern Cast.
Here is this Northern Cast. Some accessories or other key components on this robot include a tracer. This was used for finding on a swing turn. We'd trace a circle. This tracer was key in that process. Also, in the phase, clap on, clap off, we used a sound sensor. You'd clap, it would go, and then you'd clap again, and then it would stop. And the most recent one is the light sensor. It would read the dark and the light. It would decipher both of them because of the threshold value, which would take the light value and then the dark value and kind of take the average of that. That'd give you a threshold. That's all for another cast.
I am back here to talk about collaboration skills, and some of these equations were pretty difficult, so we had to kind of, collaborate with the other groups to see what they got and ask questions and stuff just to make sure we were right. So the NXT here, just doing a wrap up here for Tech Math. The NXT here, I mean, just we could build them by ourselves as a group, and then that was our construction phase, and then we programmed it in, and tried a bunch of different things, clap on, clap off, and we did investigations and everything like that, and then all the mathematical equations. I mean, it's just not fun in games. We have to do quite a bit of math here and all that, so that's it.
Sawyer and Cody here.
Yep.
That's it. See you guys later. Turn.